Hi, let's unbox my iPad 16. This is my first. This is my first Apple product, guys. Without, I'm buying a case for it for tomorrow. Don't worry, guys. I pulled a tag off my. That was a bad move. Very aesthetic. Let's get it out. Satisfying pull. All eight. Let's turn it on. It's already logged in. I'm gonna put the Wi-Fi. Be right back. Hey guys, I just put my Wi-Fi and then what should I do next? I might do wallpaper because it looks so great. My my other gadgets have so many wallpapers in them. I don't know how to do the Apple ID yet, so my mom is gonna do it for me later. I'm gonna do my Google account. Be right back.